Now, Haryana is seemingly getting back to normal. That's the question, with most blockades being lifted. In some areas, there are reports of fresh violence. In Rohtak, we're still to confirm that the state administration is not taking any chances, with prohibitory orders still in force in all 6 districts where Jat protesters rampaged. Mobile and internet services are still down. Schools and colleges are closed. The Delhi-Ambala highway is open, but there are huge traffic jams as roadblocks created by protesters have still to be cleared totally. In some places, the road itself was dug up. At other places, some protesters are still sitting on dharna, demanding a written assurance from the government on their demand for inclusion in the OBC quota. Now, in case you're planning to head out of Delhi or head out towards Haryana, these are some details that would help you. NH1 on National Highway 1 to Ambala is open. National Highway 8 and National Highway 10, there is very heavy traffic due to the lifting of the blockade out there. And National Highway 10 to Hisar and Jind is not yet open.
Well, this is the heart of Rohtak town, and you can see the kind of rage and in fact looting and arson which happened out here. ये बताएं कि दुकानें जो हैं कब इनको आग लगाया गया यहाँ पर, और प्रदर्शन कर रहे थे, बट लेकिन कोई लोग दुकानों को भी उन्होंने निशाना बनाया।
दुकान जो भी दुकान दिख रही थी उसको फाड़ देते थे और सामान ले गए हैं, ट्रेलों में भर के, और आग लगा दी है। दो तीन बार आग लगाई। सिलेंडर भी थे, वो भी फट गए होते, बचे ही बचे हैं, बहुत मुश्किल है।
Several malls that we saw in Rohtak have been completely gutted. They were also looted before that happened. Who were these people? That, of course, will have to be a subject of inquiry. But then clearly, this was a mob that came, part of their protesting mob. But as a result, Rohtak town itself completely now, many shops in areas reduced to rubble.
पुलिस तो कोई कार्रवाई नहीं कर रही है। पुलिस को बस हाथ में बंदूक है और सर नीचे है। कोई कार्रवाई सरकार ने आदेश नहीं दे रखे, तो आम जनता क्या करेगी? सड़कों पे उतरे।
मतलब आप कहने जब पुलिस थी उसके बाद भी ये सब हुआ?
सब कुछ, पुलिस तो आए नहीं भैया। आईजी से बात करो, आईजी से क्या बात करे? पुलिस आम जनता की मदद नहीं कर रही।
They are saying the police in this town just stood by, perhaps not in adequate numbers, to have managed to overcome the protesters and those involved in arson. But clearly many of these people also worried as to how long their provisions will last out here in Rohtak town.
Large-scale mob violence and arson which was committed in the 9 affected districts has left people distressed and disgusted. You know, we're right now in Panipat, and this is the scene of Ura market. You can see the vehicles which were burnt down by the mob yesterday evening. The protesters who were sitting on the National Highway 1, blocking it at least 2 places, let themselves loose in the city, and they were firing and committing excesses all over the city, and the residents were to run for the cover, you know, because there was no protection, there was no police. आप लोग बताइए क्या हालत थी कल यहाँ पे?
Actually, there were 8 to 10 bikes, जो कि 2-2, 3-3 लोग साथ में बैठे हुए थे बाइक्स में, and वो लोग सब के पीछे, लोगों के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, and they were carrying weapons, डंडे, कसियां, कुल्हाड़ी, ये सब चीजें लेके वो सब लोगों के पीछे भाग रहे थे, और लोग सब एवरीबडी वाज स्कैर्ड। इतनी बुरी तरह लोग डरे हुए थे सब। जो भी गाड़ी रास्ते में आई है, जो बाइक रास्ते में आई है, वो उन्होंने तोड़ी है। They damaged it.
And they were firing as well.
They were firing. This is what I've heard, but I've seen them. They were chasing behind us.
They done the air fires in the market, in the local market.
Yes, the situation was very bad.
And where was the police?
Nowhere. We haven't seen them.
Okay.
Nowhere. People were they were running for their life. So they were very scared. What is the fault of a common man here?